Are you looking forward to enable guest mode on Android device? Then here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can enable it. Start by moving into the Play Store. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, you need to search for hidden settings. And then move into this app and click on install. You will need to install this application on a device. Once it has been installed, simply tap on open and then open the app. Tap on allow. Once you are in the home page of this app, click on the search icon at the top. And then you need to search for users. Once you have searched for it, click on this option users. You can see the option where it says add guest. First of all, you have to turn on this option. Once you have toggled on the feature, click on add guest. And then you need to simply enter the user or the profile. Once you have entered the information, tap on confirm. And then the guest mode will be enabled successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.